Hey guys, it's Ritika. So in today's video I want to talk to you guys about one of my favorite brands, and that is plumgoodness.com. And Plum is celebrating its 6th birthday, and there's a huge sale going on the plumgoodness.com website from 18th to 21st September, and there's a 40% off going on the website. You will get a free product with every order that you make, and you will also get a specific product if you order for a certain amount, and I'm going to talk all about that in the end of the video. And now I just want to talk to you guys about the favorite products, my favorite products which really work for my skin, and to tell you guys a little about Plum Goodness. So Plum is a 100% vegan and PETA certified Indian beauty brand, and all of its products are free from parabens, phthalates, SLS and all these harmful chemicals. And now I will talk to you guys about my most favorite products from Plum Goodness. So the first product which I absolutely love from Plum is this Plum Glow Getter Chamomile and White Tea face mask. This is my absolute favorite product or favorite mask from Plum. This leaves your skin super fresh and super glowy after using it, and this is a clay based mask, so it's very gentle on your face. I really love using it at least once in a week to pamper my skin and to add that glow. So I really love using this mask, and I already have finished one tub of this mask. As you guys can see, I already have finished this tub, and this is my second tub. So I absolutely love this mask. And now talking about my second most favorite product from Plum, it's the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I already have finished 2 to 3 bottles of this face wash, and this is the mini version, and this works absolutely amazing for combination oily and acne prone skin, and this just helps in removing the oil and getting and absorbing excess amount of sebum or oil that you have on your face. So this is my second most favorite product. And now coming to my third most favorite product, and this is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. So if you are looking for a mattifying moisturizer that makes your face absolutely matte, then this is the one to go. And this has goodness of green tea. This is again for combination oily and acne prone skin. It just sits very nicely on your face, and it's a matte moisturizer. So yeah, this is my absolute favorite product from Plum, and these two are my most favorite product from the green tea range. And now coming to the next product which I just started using recently, and I have no reasons why I did not use it previously, but yeah, I absolutely love this Nature Studio Kajal in the shade Black. This is a jet black kajal, and it stays on your lips throughout the day. And yeah, this is just so amazing. I am really love with this kajal, and you also get a free sharpener with it to sharpen it out, so that is also amazing. And yeah, this is something, this is jet black, it stays throughout, it does not budge at all, which is something you expect from a good kajal. This is working really nicely for me. So this was all about my most favorite products from Plum. And now to tell you guys about the offers. So you will get this Kohl Kajal free if you shop for more than 1299 rupees. So you can look out for this offer. And there's also another offer going on the Plum website. If you shop for more than 1999, then you are gonna get this green tea kit for free with every order that you make for more than 1999 rupees. So this is absolutely amazing. So if you have combination skin, oily skin or acne prone skin, then this kit will really help you out, because this kit has some amazing products. I'm gonna get all the products that come in the green tea range in these travel size mini tubes. So it will be really amazing for you to try out all of these products. Let's talk about each product in this kit. So the first product is a face wash. I've talked about it so many times in my videos. So this is something that I really love using from the green tea range. The next product is a green tea toner. The third product is this mattifying moisturizer, which is absolutely amazing and my most favorite product. And the next product is this Clarity Night Gel. So this is a night gel that you need to use. I have not used this product, but I will try it out for sure. Coming to the next product and the last product, this is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. And I already have talked about this face mask as well. This did not work out very nicely for me, but it has some amazing reviews. So you can try it out. You can get it in this mini range. So if you are looking to buy some amazing products from Plum at a great discount, then this is the time for you to shop. I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box below if you want to check them out. And yeah, I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, then do give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.